Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to tell you how can we create this kind of header and this kind of mega menu. So here you can see it's looking quite good. So I will show you step by step how can we create this kind of mega menu in Elementor Pro. So let's begin. So just go to your WordPress website, then click on templates here, then just click on add new template. So here select header and then here name your template. So I will name it YT header. So then I will click on create template. So now I will show you step by step. So first of all I will create my header. So let me just click on here, then click on here plus icon, then choose flexbox, then I will choose this container here. So here you can see my container. Then I will click on here 6 dots. Then I will make my width 1280. So here 1280 pixel. Then I will go to the advanced tab here. And then from here, I will give it a padding from 20 from top and 20 from bottom. So now, then I will click on here on this plus icon. Then click on flexbox. Then I will click on these 6 containers here. So let me just click on these 6 containers. Then I will delete these last 3 containers. And here I will just copy these containers. I will click on 6 dots, copy and paste it inside of this container. And then I will delete these containers from here. So this is our external container, and inside of this container we have 3 internal containers. Now I will click on this container here, then I will make the width here 25%, and this one here I will make it 50, and this one here, the last one, I will make it 25. Okay, so now I will click on here on this container here, and I will go to the style tab here, and then I will go to the background tab here, and I will make the background here black. And then I will go to the border here, then I will make the border radius here 100. So now you can see our border radius is 100 from all sides. Then I will go to the advanced tab here, and I will make the padding here 0. So now inside of this container, I will go to my widget section here, and I will insert an image. So I will drag and drop image section here, and then I will choose an image here. So I will choose my logo, and here I will insert my logo. And then I will go to widget section again, then I will search for menu. So I will choose this menu here. I will just drag and drop this menu here. So now let me check my this header here: home, destination, travel tab, and packing guide. So let me just name it here home, and then in the link I will insert ash, and then I will add here travel tab, and then I will insert here, let me check it, destination and packing guides. So here I will insert right destination. In the last one I will insert packing guides. Here it is, and I will just drag and drop destination here. So now I will just go to the style tab here, and here I will change the color into white. So here you can see, and then in the last section I will add a button. So I will go to here, and I will insert a button here. So this is my button. I will go to the style tab, and here I will change the color. So I will share the colors as well in my description. So here I will insert this color here, and here I will go to the border radius. I will make it 10 from all sides, and here I will make the top 20 and the bottom 20 as well. 25 from right and 25 from left. Okay, here you can see, and I will go to my this section here, and I will copy this text here, and I will go back here in the content section. I will paste it here. So now I will go to I will click on here 6 dots here, and here I will go to the layout, make justify content center, align item center. Sorry guys, I will go to my this container here, this is my external container. I will go to the layout. So here this container, justify content center, and align item center here as well. So now you can see it's looking quite good. So now let me just make this section here. In this section, item position, I will make it center, same as it is with this one like, and I will let me just go to menu section here in this style, and I will make the over section this color here. So now you can see it's looking quite good. And here now let's make this section here. So how can we make this mega menu section here? So let me go back here again, and here I will click on plus icon, flexbox, then a container, and here I will make the width 1280. Here you can see, and again inside of this container I will insert another container inside of this container. I will go to my widget section here and just drag and drop this container inside of this container. So this is our first container, this is our second container. So inside of this container I will go to the style tab, and I will make the border radius here 20 from all sides, and I will insert a background color here as well. So let me just add a background color. So here you can see I have inserted something like gray color here, and then I will go back again here. I will just click on flexbox here, and I will choose these two containers here. So here you can see I will here make the width 30%, and this container width I will make it 70, and then I will click on these 6 dots. I will copy it, and I will insert it inside of this container. So here I paste this. So sorry for guys, let me just make this side of container 70%, and this side let me make it 30%. So now you can see 70% and 30%, and let me just delete these containers here. So here in this container here I will give it a width of I will make the padding here. I will go to the advanced tab here, and I will make the padding 30 from all sides. So now you can see in this container, and now in this container I will do it same as it is here, advanced, and the padding 30% from all sides. So now you can see, let me just drag and drop here. Okay, so now I will insert one more container inside of these containers. I will insert one more container here. So let me just click on here, okay, plus icon, and here I will click on flexbox here, okay, and in this container let me just delete this one and go to the widget section here. I will just drag and drop here one more container. So here you can see this is our first, second, third, and this is our fourth container. In this container I will go to the style tab, and here I will make the border tab solid, and here border width I will make it 1, okay, from all sides, and I will give it a border color here, something like this, okay. And here let me just make the border radius here 10 pixels from all sides, and here I will go to the advanced tab as well, and I will make 30 padding from all sides here as well. So now I will click on plus icon here, and I will choose these 6 containers again here, and I will delete last 3 containers. And then I will copy these containers and paste it inside of these containers. Here you can see, and I will delete these 3. So now inside of these containers, I will click on this container here, and I will make this container, sorry for guys, I will click on this container here, and I will make the padding 20 from all sides. So here you can see, same as it is, I will click on here, copy, paste style, and paste style. So now you can see these are 3 containers here and here, and inside of this container I will add another container as well. I will go to the widget section here, and I will insert a 1 container here as well, and here I will make the padding here as well. So let me make the border radius, let me go to the style tab here, advanced tab here first of all, and make the padding 20 from all sides. And then okay guys, let me just give it 20 here. Okay, so now I will click on here on this container here, and I will go to the style tab here, and I will make the border here solid, and border width I will make it 1, and here I will make the border color something like this. Okay, same as it is, copy, paste style, copy, paste style. So here on this container I will click on, so here you can see the borders are 2 attached. I will click on this container here, and I will make it no wrap, and I will give it 20 pixels, 20 gap here you can see it's looking quite good. So now inside of these containers, let's check what I have inserted. I have inserted a icon and heading and something like this. So I will go back here, and I will just search for image box. So I will drag and drop the image box here. So now you can see here is our image box. So here I will insert the image. So for example this one, here it is, and here I will change the adding something like, let me just adding here, I will make it first for example, and the style tab, and let me go to the content here, and the color let me just make it black, and the typography let me just make the size, let me just make it 22. Okay, and here in the content section here I will just make it black as well. So here you can see, and here I will click on this container, and here I will go to the content style tab and image position, sorry guys, I will click on here, go to the layout, sorry guys, yeah, just sorry, I will click on here on this section, and alignment I will make it left. So here you can see, here it is, same as it is. I will copy this section and paste it here, same, and paste it here. So I will name this one, let me just change the image from here. For example, let me just insert this image here. I will leave this one as it is. So I will make this one second, and this one I will make it third. Okay guys, so here you can see first, second and third. And now let me just compare it with this one. Let me just make here, you can see I will click on here, I will go to the style tab, and the border here, I will make the border radius here, let me just make it 10. Same as it is, copy and paste style, copy and paste style. So now you can see here it is. So now in this section here, I will just add a title. So let me just check this one. So here you can see core solutions. So I will just add a here a let me just add a adding here. Okay, sorry guys. Let me just click on here this section, this container, and this is our third container. So here I need to insert it here. Let me just go back here again. Sorry. Okay. So here it is. So here you can see we need to add a core. Let me just try to insert it here. Let me drag and drop it here. Sorry. Okay. So let me just name it core solutions. Okay. Let me just drag and drop it from here. Okay. Okay. So now let me go to the style tab here, and let me make the color something like this. And let me go to the typography and let me make the size something like this. Okay, it's not quite working. Let me just add it again here. Let me just remove this section from here. So now I have added these sections here. Let me go back again here and let's compare it with this one. So here you can see include in launch package, and we need to add this section now. So let me just copy this section, and here let me just go to this section and add a text here. So let me just, sorry guys, let me just remove this section from here. Let me just go back again and let me add a adding here. Okay, sorry guys, let me just go to here and let me add a heading here. So here you can see this is our heading. Let me just drag and drop this section here as well. So I have inserted a heading here and I will change it here. So here you can see include in launch package. I will go to the style tab, and here typography, let me just make it something like this. And here let me make the style here italic. So here you can see it's italic. And here let me just change the color here as well. So this is the color. So let me make it little bit light. Okay. So now I will go to the advanced tab here, and the position I will make it absolute. Okay. Then I will go to offset here. Let me make it 80. And here on the vertical position, vertical orientation, let me make it, let me make it 66. Okay. So now here you can see it's looking quite good. And I will click on here this section. I will go to the style tab and I will make the background here. So let me go to the advanced section here, and here I will go to the background. I will make the background same as it is with this background. So here you can see it's now looking quite good. So here it is. So let me compare it with this one. Here you can see, here it is. And let me go to the layout here. So content here, padding here, let me make it padding from 10 from right and 10 from left. So here you can see it's looking quite as good. So now Let me add this button section here, the learn more section here. Let me just copy this one here. Here I have copied this section, and I will go back here again, and I will go to the style tab here, and I will search for a button. I will just drag and drop it here. So now you can see this is our button. So I will go to the style tab, and I will change the background color into white. Okay, and I will make the border radius here solid, and the border width I will give it 1, and here I will just make the color something like this, and here I will make the border radius here. Okay, here I will make the just border radius here 10. Let me just make it 5. Okay, it's looking quite good. And the padding here I will give it 10. Let me just make it 15 from top and 15 from bottom. Okay, and then I will give it 30. Okay, I think it's looking quite good. 30 from left and 30 from right, 15 from top and 15 from bottom. And I will go to the content section here, and I will just insert this one here, and here I will go to the text. I will make the color something, okay, sorry. Let me make the text color here black. So here you can see it's looking quite good. Let me just compare it with this one. So it's the color is like this. Let me just make it learn more. Copy and paste it here as well. Copy and paste it here as well. So now you can see it's looking quite good in this section here and here. Let me go back here and compare this section here, the learn more about our solutions. So let me just add this section here. Let me go to here and heading. Let me just insert it here. So here you can see, and let me just drag and drop it here. I will go to the style tab, typography. Let me just make this size something like 25, 500. Let me just make it normal, and here I will go to the text color. I will make it something like this, and I will go to here in the padding section, and I will make let me just go back here. Let me go to the style tab here. Okay, here go to the border section here, and here make it solid. So here you can see, and here I will give it 10 from, let me just make it, sorry guys, let me just make it 4 from 4 from bottom, or let me just make it 1. I think 1 is quite good, and I will go to here in this section here, and I will make the inline this section start, make it inline and align self start, and then give it a padding from bottom. Let me just give it I think 5 is okay. So here you can see, here and here same as it is. Let me just go to the style tab, same as it is. Okay, so this section is now clear, and let me go to this section here. Let me make this section here. So let me copy this section here, and here let me insert a background color here. So I will go back here, go to the style tab, background tab. I will make the background tab something like this, and here I will insert a heading here. First of all, let me just insert a heading here, and I will name it here schedule a demo, same as it is like this one. I will go to style tab, typography. Let me just make it a little bit light, normal, and the size I will give it 24. Let me just make it 22. And here color I will make it black. Okay. And then let me go back again and let me check this one. Here we will map your goals. Let me copy this section and let me go to the widget section here, text editor. So here you can see we have our text editor. Let me just insert this text here. Let me compare it again. Okay, let me just give this style tab here. Sorry, text color black. And then I will insert a form. So I will go back here and insert a form here. So here you can see the form. And I will just need to insert here, enter your email address. So I need to insert just this one. So I will just delete this, and this. I will go to the label and I will delete the label. And here I will insert, enter your email. Okay, let me just insert it, enter your email address. And I will copy this arrow from here. And let me just remove this one from here. Okay. This one here. So now you can see it's looking quite good. And now I will go to the form here in the button section. So I will go to the style tab. I will go to the button section here, background color. I will make it something like this. So here you can see it's our background color. And let me just compare this one, and I need to insert an image here. So here I will go back here and just drag and drop an image here. So let me insert this image here. So now you can see, let me just here, let me just click on this section, border, radius, let me just make it 30. Okay. Let me just make it 20. So here you can see this is our complete mega menu. So how can we add it here now? That's the question. So let me just change this border color here, background. Okay. Here, let me just go to the, sorry guys, border, and let me just make this color here, something like this. Okay. So now let me click on here our menu, and here go to the destination type and just click on drop down content here. So here you can see the drop down content here. Just click on this section. Okay. So now I will just copy this complete section. I will click on 6 dots here, copy, and I will click on this section here and paste it here. Okay guys, here you can see the complete section here, and I will just delete this section from here. In this section here, and then I will click on publish. Okay, and then you need to add a condition here, entire site. It's totally up to you. Then save and close, and then I will click on preview changes. So now you can see here it is, but it's not 1280 pixel, and it's not, and here you can see it's little bit something like that. So what we need to do, we need to go to the advanced section here, and here let me just give it 50 from bottom. Sorry guys, let me just click on this section here. Okay, this section here, let me make it 1280 here first of all. So now you can see it's 1280, and then let me click on this section and let me give it a 50 margin from top. So here you can see it's looking quite good. Let me click on this section here again, And here, let me give the padding here. Let me give it 0. Okay, let me just go back again, 20 from top and 20 from bottom. And let me go to my structure here. And let me click on this section, go to the advanced section, and here you can see it's looking little bit larger. So let me just make the padding here again 0. So here you can see it's looking quite good. Let me just change the style of this image. Let me just make the width here 60 pixels. So I think it's looking quite good. Let me just click on publish and let me preview it here again. So here you can see, here it is, but here you can see it's not include, this line is coming over this one. So how can we remove this one? So here, let me just refresh the page again here. And let me just here click on this section, style tab, or let me click on this section here. Let me just remove this here. So now let me click on publish and let me preview it here. And now here you can see it's looking quite good. So that's how you can make your mega menu. So kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.